guys, this is alum, potassium aluminium sulfate. So this is exactly for purification of water, as it is having potassium and aluminium sulfate. So what it does, it's like deep the like a deep, not just once you dip it deep. It is known as a fit curry, and in South India it is mainly known as, it is known as like fat curry. And there are other people known this alum. So this is like alum. In English it is known as alum, and in other state fatkari, fit curry, this is the traditional name it is known as. So this is an alum. So what it does, it's like uh, just a deep one, and just remove it from the earthen pot. Because if you dip much fit curry, or you can say this alum on this water, so what it will does, it will make the water like a little bit bitter in taste. So guys, this normally this alum is very very essential for like essential in many purpose, like in water purification also. Guys, if you go to the river banks, like in the water areas where not a desert land, but having water, and sea sand, sand along with the river bank sand. So that sand, what it does, it's like purify the water, because that sand has a lot of purification material which holds the water, retain the water, and also remove the water microorganisms and from the water. Because that sand is very very rich in minerals, holds the water, tightens the water, and remove all the fungi, protozoa, bacteria, and demineralizes the I mean to say, remove the algae, fungi, uh, zooplankton, planktons, and all over the water filtration bed it is present. So it removes it, the sand dunes, or you can say that sand that is present, that is white sands that are present near the river or near the ocean. So that remove, that is the natural process of filtration of water. So guys, here as it's a normally a dry drought area, so here normally water is generally like there is no river banks around. So here people in rural areas and rural part of Assam, what it they does, where all the RO filters are not available in a lot of rural areas, they uses this the pot for purification of water, and they uses this alum. So this is the fitcurry or fatcurry, you can say, or um, you can say ravari, and rawat in South India, it's like that, only name is like that. So that's the alum. So guys, it has a lot of properties. Like first of all, it is used as a toner, astringent property. Like for 2 times in a day is essential deep alum on water, and it will give and then what you have to do is soak the alum for 2 to 5 minutes, and that's how it is done. For for drying out the skin, uh, removing the acne scars, marks, and everything. Also purifying the water. What it does is put the alum, or you can see fitkari and fatkari in the water. Okay, for 4 to 5 minutes. It's just guys, what it does is for remove also in a lot of swimming pools there are chlorine solutions also which are being used, chlorinated water for removing a lot of for purifying the water. Chlorines are used, chlorine gases are used, and a lot of things, but it is like quite little bit expensive, and so that is why in some rural areas that type of expensive materials are not present. So the cheap cost of material that is present is like alum, normally found in Assam, Punjab, and many rural area. It's normally generated in Assam, and Bihar also it is found, in Punjab also it is found, and in every state this alum is available. Also in online also, if you go and check out in the online also, it is really available in the market. So what you have to do is, in cases of toning your skin lightening, skin whitening, removing excess scar prevention, what it does. And also this alum is being used after shaving of men also. Even men's are also like in old traditional technique, men's after shaving or cleaning their beard, they used to use alum. So for skin toning, brightening, lightening, whitening, and also uh, normally purified water, there are also inorganic content like arsenic metal, and there are a lot of metals that are present on the on water. So inorganic content of the water. So guys, normally water is only H2O, so that is water. The molecular formula of water is only H2O. So and else are like the inorganic salts and that are present, it got contaminated. So there are a few freshwater lakes that are available in the lot of part of the country. So water should be purified, maintained, so to remove the inorganic metals from the water, and so that we drink fresh water, and not uncontaminated water, where the water is polluted, so much heavily polluted because of the inorganic content of the water, and also because of like excess carbon dioxide, nitrogen fumes, and nitrogen dioxide. It's very very dangerous for the water, and also like killing the water and destroying the water also. It's like it is H2O, the composition, the real composition of water is being destroyed. That should be only H2O. So after nature purification also, there are a lot of contamination. So we are now looking for proper um, proper H2O. Like we are on research how to only drink H2O, and not contaminated by any of the inorganic salt and organic compounds available in the water, so that we drink only the fresh water. So this is one of the like traditional method of purifying it, and there are also like traditional methods of purifying it. So the best method is like the new launch product that is available in the markets, like RO purifier and all. But these are the traditional methods, so where electricity is not needed or consumed, and also no need of electricity, where like in rural parts of not only in India but also in other countries, this is the traditional way This is one of the traditional way from India, Rajasthan, I'm sharing. And there are various guys, there are a lot of infections of water, through water, like waterborne diseases like fungal infections, and lot of cholera, dysentery, amoebal infection involved in water, with water, because water is very very contaminated nowadays, in India, also in all the part of India. So there is and also there are fluoride bells in India, especially in Rajasthan and West Bengal. There are all over the country, as India is still developing country, not undeveloped country. So it's in developing countries, we really need complete water purification, and also there are a lot of people suffering from fluoride belt, fluoride region, because of consumption of unpurified water, or excess fluoride in the water level, especially in the rural part of Rajasthan. They're suffering. And also there is like a brown discoloration, not only in Rajasthan, and also in states like Tripura, and also in there are various states who are like affected with the heavy iron content, and a fluoride content in the water, and the water are like not purified. And also if you see in states where there are a lot of water, but there are also it should be purified, because a lot of infections also sometimes occur due to improper maintenance of the freshwater lakes, and also water like contamination of river banks to sea banks. So that's how it is. uh, so water should be purified and clean from every beach that is available. Beach like from Digha beach to Puri beach, to Marine Drive, to every beach that is available in South India, also like Vizag beach and Trivandrum beach, Kerala beach. There are a lot of beach, Goa beach, and yeah, there are a lot of beaches that are present in India. So that need to be properly cleaned, purified, remove all the fungi, bacteria, protozoa infections, so they don't suffer from any kind of infections. And also there are fungal infections, like eye fungal infections, because of the contaminated water. One of the fungal infection of the eye is like guys, this alum is also associated of removing fungal infections like Candida albicans infections, of like a lot of like in eyes also. If you see, if it is a lot of fungal infections associated, if you go to any kind of beach, or in having water quality is so much degraded. So what happens at that point of time is that there are a lot of fungal infections, so there are fungi available on the water body, so it is not completely purified. Because of consumption of water, unpurified water, drinking unpurified water, or swimming, so on the unpurified water. So sometimes people get fungal infections like keratosis, fungal keratosis, and where the cornea of the eye become really red in color, and also the iris pupil become little bit blue in color. It look like that there is stone fitted on the eyes. So it is because of the fungal infection, that is why it is available. This is what to say, there are a lot of medicines like nystatin. Nystatin is one of the antifungal medications that are given as an eye drop. But once it got affected, it is like, the eyes got affected. It is a long procedure to like, what to say, if once a people is infected by fungi, so it is very dangerous for the people also, and also for the doctors also to treat them. Yeah, but there are a lot of medicines available like nystatin, to any antifungal eye drops available through which it can be treated and cured. But for that, as we are researching on water purification, so one of the finding is that this alum, when you this alum remove, it's effective against candida albicans. So there are also candidiasis on the mouth. So if you dip this water and drink it just once or two, so it will also purify your mouth, your skin, and also remove yourself, and also clean your legs with this alum water, so that it remove excess, or you can say, that alum water just take a shower or take a bath. Excess alum is not allowed because it may affect your skin irritation, itching. But you should use alum at least 1 to 2 times in a week, so that it is maintained, the skin is maintained, and you don't suffer from any kind of candida albicans infections. And candidiasis, it's a really very common, not on this infection is not only common on the eyes but also on the mouth also. So candida is a huge albicans. It's a fungal infection, and it's one of the dangerous infection you can ever imagine. So yeah, alum water is one of the best. And purify water, and then just have good quality water. So yeah, still we are researching and finding how to take care of our own skin, own health. And also yeah, guys, we are also researching the natural ways to like purify the water. uh, so guys, once it is more researched, we will soon share you about water purification more. The journey is started for water purification, especially in India. There are like more roadways to go, more blocks to for water purification, because the journey has started uh, for improving the air quality of India, improving the water quality of India. And there is far more way to go. And yeah, soon as we are more researching, we will soon share with you about the journey, about our journey. So yeah guys, मिलते हैं आपके साथ नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में with next information. Guys, one of the glass you can use, it's just a transparent glass, so that especially in rural parts of rural part, guys. So guys, what I wanted to say is that where this eye protective glass is just a transparent glass, it not only it protects your eyes from sand, dust storms, hailstorms, and there are a lot of storms in the rural part of Rajasthan, and also in rural, and there are also rural parts and rural areas where there are like dust. So protect your eyes so that your eyes don't get contaminated with any kind of bacterial, fungal, viral, any kind of infection. So yeah, one of the best eye protective glass is just in transparent glass. You just take it with I mean to say zero power. You don't need any kind of power for this. It's just a transparent glass. Yeah, for any branch you can use it, from dental branch to engineering branch to every branch in office, college. It's the best glass. I hope it is beneficial for you. So मिलते हैं आपके साथ next